Several online resources are available to help with classroom design and developing classroom options. One virtual online resource is Scholastic Classroom Setup. Scholastic Classroom Setup identifies in a Google search as Class Setup Tool, Scholastic Tools. Open the web page and you'll see that you have a virtual classroom to set up within the web page. The virtual layout is a tool to help design and customize the classroom, and you can rearrange a set-up mock classroom and map out virtual seating charts. Once the web page is open, click Begin, and your classroom is opened and ready to design. First, you select the shape of your classroom: a square classroom, tall rectangular classroom, or a wide classroom. To select your shape, just click and drag it over to the middle, which is your classroom design area. Next, you want to select furniture. You have windows, door, blackboard, bookshelves, bulletin board, locker, and computer. Select your furniture item, classroom needs a door, and drag it over. You can select multiple items of one object, such as multiple computers, and add it to your space. Once you select an item that isn't facing the right direction, you can go up to Rotate, click Rotate, and move it around. And then once you're satisfied with its direction, then you can move it to the location in the classroom that it belongs. You have classroom furniture is complete, move to student desks. You have a square desk, round desk, teacher desk, rectangular desk, and horseshoe desk. Square desks are excellent representation of student desks, which provides independent work areas. Horseshoe desk is a good representation of small group area or student-teacher work area. Again, maybe I want to rotate that and face the direction of the classroom. Once I've completed my desk selection, then you begin adding shapes if you'd like. Triangle, pentagon, hexagon, plus, and semicircle. Semicircle is another excellent shape of a table that represents a small group area, and maybe even a larger area of students can work in that space. Move that to the direction of facing within the classroom so that everybody can see what's going on. Once you have your design or your items within the classroom, then you can continue designing by moving your items around, or decide that maybe I need some bookshelves. You can continue to go back and add more items and placing everything. You're going to continue as you click on, you're going to pick some furniture to dress up the room, but it also gives you a warning to make sure that you have enough room for all of your items. Once that is complete, there is an option of creating a student roster. Click Students, and then up at the top box, just begin adding student names. You continue adding student names until the roster is complete. Once you're completed with your entire plan and satisfied and are ready to implement that within your actual classroom, you can print your blueprint. Click Print. You can also cancel it. You can change it if you're still not satisfied, or you can start over. And click Print, and then you have your blueprint ready to take back to your classroom and begin designing.